Hello everyone, welcome to another lecture of Data Science with Mradul series, where you can always refer my website datasciencewithmradul.versal.app. So we are done with our 10, or basically with our 10 milestones. Sorry, with 8 milestones. So it is the time to get into the ninth milestone, which is introduction to neural networks. So neural networks are machine learning algorithms which are inspired by the working and structure of the human brain. So these are particularly used for image recognition, text recognition, and time series forecasting, XYZ, many things. So basically, these works as the nodes inside it, the network, the nodes inside it, the nodes inside the algorithm works as the nodes of the human cells, which transmit data from one node to another. There are various inside steps which are involved in the generating the output, which are these steps are always interconnected to each other in the form of small nodes working in the backend. It is a huge topic. I am just giving you an overview of how these things work. So yeah, as it is written here, input layer. The first layer where the features of the data are input into the network. Hidden layer, which are the intermediate layers where the actual implementation happens and which extracts the data from the input given by the user. And also by comparison, by doing the various type of comparison and all those things to with the respect of knowledge base and all those things. The outer layer is the final layer which produces the prediction or the classification result. So there are certain weightages given to each of the functions and all those things. These are written over here. So the backpropagation is the supervised learning algorithm used to train the neural networks. Training of the neural networks is also important to to minimize the errors and all those things too, as we did here in the manipulation tasks. Sorry, in the evaluation task, we saw that there were many things which were creating the problem when we. Huh, just a second. Yeah, there were things like the score of accuracy, F1, recall, and precision, and all. To improve these things, neural networks act as a really good source. So I won't be integrating the part of neural networks into our main project, but I'll show you one of my projects, which is there here on my repository. Uh, just a second. Yeah, here it is. This is shareanalysis.py. So here I have used the Y-Finance API, which gives me the information about the, all the uh, companies and all which are open into the stock market. And here I have implemented the CNN, which is convolutional neural network, which works the same way as the neural networks work, which have various hidden layers, which transmit things. CNN itself is a huge topic to study, so I won't be going into the things. I'll just directly make you guys see the implementation. So yeah, just give me a minute. Hmm. Just a second. Hmm. Here it is. Here it is. Here. Hmm. So here the file is. Let me clear the screen so that you guys can, be more comfortable. Let me cancel it. Hmm. Yeah, now I think that this application should run. Yeah. Like we are here told to enter stock trigger symbol, so we will go for NVIDIA. So we will be writing NVDA as its trigger symbol. For example, the we have to enter the date on which we purchased, so we are just writing a random date. Yeah, and the date to end or the date on which we want to know about the result about is also a random date. Mm, Four, okay. So here it is fetching the data and all those things will be done. So I think I have entered something wrong. Oh, I have entered the wrong pattern or some or what? Oh yeah, I have entered the wrong pattern. My bad. Let me again, the date pattern was entered in the wrong way by me. Let me again do it. So NVDA, and first we have to write the ER, right? 2023, 2009. Okay, so it is the API is fetching the data. We can easily see which steps are taking place. So yeah, we just got the the actual prices and how the prices are deviating through the day by day, and then we are told to do a strong sell as the price changes are really highly deviating. The current price and the next predicted price is also being shown here, which shows a high amount of decrease. So these things are done by the help of by the help of our CNN neural network. The API which we are using to fetch data is acting as a knowledge base for us. So yeah, this is how the neural networks work. I won't go, as I told you, I won't go up very much deep into it. So here it is. And our next topic is clustering. I won't be showing clustering in terms of program, as I will be teaching more it into a theory part. You can easily implement the program which I have written over here. So yeah, recording is on still. Okay, I was just checking that the recording and doesn't stop. So yeah, clustering. Clustering by its name makes us understand that what it is trying to say. Like clustering means to group or to make clusters of items according to their according to their behavior, property or nature. So let me read the definition for you guys. Clustering is a type of unsupervised machine learning technique that involves grouping data points into clusters, such as the data points within the same clusters are more similar than the other who are in the other clusters. As I told you that we form the cluster because of the similarities between these data points. So yeah, there are clustering algorithm which there's a clustering algorithm which is K-mean clustering algorithm. K-mean clustering algorithm is one of the simplest and most commonly used clustering algorithms. It divides the data into K distinct clusters based on the similarities. So first we have to choose the value of K, initial value of K clusters, which will act as a centroid, and the other, the nearest points around it will just, how should I say that? The nearest points will be get located around it. So yeah, these are the things. So these are the common terminologies which are used for clustering. I won't be using clustering here as I have done the binning part, so I don't think it is much required to do. So yeah, you can always read more things about the technologies and all, which have been telling you as the Python libraries and how to implement these algorithms. So in the next video, we will be doing the estimation task. It is a really important process for us to know. I'll be also showing you guys the code of the estimation process here. And after that, we will be need for dimension reductions and all those things. This is also an important aspect. I'll also teach this to you guys. And then with our last general linear models, an overview to general linear models. I just want you guys to read these things before so that it gives you a better understanding. So as we are done with this much part of clustering, so I want you guys to to perform these exercises and also the this part of the uh, last which I taught you was like exercises of regarding the neural networks. So yeah, we'll meet in the next part. Thank you for being such a great audience. Thank you.